In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Bitbucket, a crucial tool for managing your code repositories and a must-have for collaborating with your team on software projects. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you have everything you need to get started smoothly. Before we dive in, it's important to understand what Bitbucket is. Bitbucket is a web-based platform that provides source code hosting and collaboration solution for development projects. It's particularly popular among software developers for its integration capabilities with Atlassian products and its support for Git and Mercurial version control systems. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Simply go to the address bar at the top, type in bitbucket.org, and hit enter. On the Bitbucket main page, you'll notice a welcoming interface designed to make navigation intuitive. Look out for a prominent sign-up button on the home page, often highlighted to catch your attention. If you don't already have an account, this is where you'll begin. Creating an account is straightforward. You'll just need to fill in some basic information like your email, name, and a secure password. If you prefer, you can also sign in using your Google account to keep things seamless. For those of you who are already registered, simply click on the Login option and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you're presented with your Bitbucket dashboard. This is the control center where all your repositories can be accessed and managed. To download the Bitbucket repository onto your local machine, you first need to locate the repository that you intend to download. Navigate to the Repositories section in the dashboard and click on the specific repository you wish to download. It's a good practice to double-check that you are choosing the right repository, especially if you have many listed. Once you've confirmed your choice, look for the Clone or Download button, typically found along the top of the repository page. Clicking on this button will present you with a few different options for cloning the repository, such as using HTTPS, SSH, or the Download Zip option. If you're new to Git commands or simply want a quick download, selecting Download Zip will be the easiest route. This will download the complete repository content as a zip file onto your computer. For those who prefer or need to clone the repository using Git, copying the provided URL and pasting it into a command line interface is your next step. Just type in git clone, followed by the copied URL, and press enter. This command will create a directory and download the repository content onto your local machine, allowing you to interact with it directly. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded a Bitbucket repository. Remember, whether you're managing multiple projects or just one, Bitbucket makes your development journey more organized and collaborative. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now ready to take full advantage of Bitbucket.